Want to launch a business online? No coding or design skills needed. Let AI create your website quickly. Today, I'll teach you to build a stunning website effortlessly. This is perfect for small business owners and freelancers. You'll have a professional site in just a few clicks. First, let's explore Durable.co. Durable AI is incredibly simple. Describe your business, and it builds a full website. Expect results in under 30 seconds. Next up is 10web.io. Want customization? This is your tool. 10web uses AI and WordPress for SEO optimized sites. Add your branding and launch quickly. Now, let's look at bookmark.com. Bookmark's AIDA assistant guides your website creation. It builds your site step by step based on your goals. This process is both intuitive and powerful. Remember, you don't need tech skills to get started. These tools can help you launch your brand or product today. Do you want a full list of tools? DM Toolkit or check the bio for more details. For more AI-powered growth strategies, follow at aprofits_lab. Now, go ahead and apply what you've learned.